Ever noticed how certain older guys just have that irresistible charm that younger women seem to love? Today we're diving into the world of confident older men and uncovering the key behaviors and actions that make them so appealing to younger women. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what sets these men apart and why these qualities are so attractive. And don't forget, we have a special bonus tip at the end of this video that perfectly encapsulates all these points. 1. Sophisticated communication skills. Sophisticated communication is the art of expressing thoughts and feelings in a way that is both clear and engaging. For confident older men, this skill comes with a lifetime of practice. They know the power of a well-placed word and the impact of listening actively. It's not just about what is said, but how it's said. Older men often bring a depth to conversation that can be both intriguing and attractive to younger women. Their years have taught them to avoid the pitfalls of miscommunication and instead focus on honest and meaningful exchanges. For younger women, this sophisticated communication is refreshing. It's a break from the mundane and often shallow chatter that can dominate their social spheres. It's a signal of a man who not only understands the world, but also understands her. And in a world where everyone talks but few truly communicate, this skill is a rare and attractive gem. 2. Cultured interests and hobbies. Cultured interests and hobbies are like the spices that add flavor to a dish. But what makes these interests so appealing to younger women? Let's check it out. For one, they turn the ordinary into something extraordinary. For older men, these interests are not just pastimes, but reflections of a life well lived and explored. Whether it's a love for jazz music, a passion for French cuisine, or a fascination with ancient history, these hobbies speak volumes. It's the depth and diversity they bring to conversations and experiences. An older man with a collection of classic vinyl records or a knack for Italian cooking isn't just sharing a hobby, but rather opening a window into a rich world of culture and knowledge. These interests create opportunities for shared activities, learning, and growth, making every moment spent together an adventure. The beauty of these cultured hobbies is in their ability to connect people across different ages and backgrounds. They show a dedication to lifelong learning and an appreciation for the finer things in life. For a younger woman, being with someone who can introduce her to new experiences and perspectives is both exciting and enlightening. It's about being with someone who isn't just living life, but savoring it with every sense. 3. Emotional maturity. Emotional maturity is like the anchor in the stormy sea of life. But why is emotional maturity so appealing? It's what gives a man the strength to navigate through life's ups and downs with grace. For confident older men, emotional maturity is what sets them apart in the eyes of younger women. It's because it brings a sense of security and stability. An emotionally mature man knows himself well. He understands his emotions, can express them healthily, and handle them with care. He's not a leaf blown by the emotional winds of life. He's the tree that stands firm, rooted in understanding and patience. This maturity means he's less likely to engage in petty arguments or let his ego lead the way. Instead, he focuses on meaningful communication and building a relationship based on mutual respect and understanding. For younger women, this maturity is refreshing. It's a welcome change from the often tumultuous and unpredictable nature of relationships with less mature individuals. An emotionally mature man knows the importance of compromise, empathy, and emotional support. In a world where emotional depth can be hard to come by, an emotionally mature man is a treasure worth holding on to. Before we move on, are you finding these insights helpful? If so, a like and a quick comment go a long way. I love reading your thoughts and suggestions. 4. Financial stability. Financial stability in a man is not about the dazzling wealth or the extravagant lifestyle. It's about the sense of security and responsibility that comes with it. Why is this aspect so attractive? Let's talk about it. For confident older men, financial stability is more about demonstrating reliability and foresight. It's a quality that resonates deeply with younger women. It's because financial stability represents a certain level of maturity and planning. It shows that a man is not only capable of taking care of himself, but also of making wise decisions for the future. This isn't about a man paying for everything or showering her with expensive gifts. Instead, it's about the comfort and peace of mind that comes with knowing he's financially responsible. This stability is about being a partner who can contribute to a future that's not just dreamt about, but actively planned. It's about being with someone who understands the value of hard work, saving for a rainy day, and investing in the future. For younger women, this financial stability is often synonymous with a feeling of safety. It suggests a relationship that can withstand financial storms and focus on building a life together. In a world where financial stress can strain even the strongest bonds, A man who brings stability is like a breath of fresh air. It's not just about money, but rather about what it represents. 5. Genuine interest in her life. Confident older men have a knack for showing genuine interest in people, especially when it comes to younger women. But why do younger women love it so much? Let's jump right into this. Older men understand that a relationship is more than just being together. It's about being truly interested in who the other person is, their dreams, fears, and everything in between. This genuine interest goes beyond mere curiosity. It's about actively engaging in her life. It's asking about her day with a desire to listen to the details, celebrating her achievements, and being there during her struggles. This isn't about fixing her problems or being her hero, but about being her supporter, her confidant, and her cheerleader. Why does this resonate so well with younger women? It's because this level of attention and care makes her feel valued and understood. In a world where so much interaction is superficial, finding someone who cares enough to dive deep into your world is refreshing. It's not just about knowing her favorite color or her birthday. It's about understanding her aspirations, her fears, and her passions. For younger women, such genuine interest can be a rare find. It's comforting to know that her thoughts and feelings are not just heard but cherished. It's about being with someone who sees her not just as a partner, but as an individual with her own unique journey. 6. Balanced lifestyle and priorities. Having a balanced lifestyle stands for a lot of things. Confident older men often master this balance, making them especially attractive to younger women. But why is this particularly appealing to younger women? Let's talk about it. It's because it demonstrates a man's ability to manage his life in a way that respects both his needs and those of others. He's not all about work or all play. He's about finding the sweet spot where career, hobbies, health, and relationships coexist in a satisfying blend. This balanced approach means he's available and present and engaged in the moments they share. For younger women, this represents a stable and fulfilling relationship dynamic. It's being with someone who values and respects her time as much as his own. A man with balanced priorities brings a sense of calm and stability, showing that life doesn't have to be a chaotic race, but a journey to be enjoyed. In a world that often feels unbalanced, being with someone who navigates life with balance and purpose is both inspiring and deeply attractive. Here's the bonus tip you've all been waiting for: a man's sense of style. But why does this unique sense matter so much? It's because it tells a story without saying a word. It's an outward expression of his life experiences, his tastes, and his journey. Whether it's vintage watches, a love for classic leather jackets, or a flair for pairing the unconventional, these choices make him stand out in a crowd. This isn't about chasing trends or spending a fortune on designer labels. It's about understanding what works for him, what reflects his personality, and wearing it with an air of confidence. For younger women, it suggests a depth of character, an individual who is comfortable in his own skin and who doesn't conform to expectations. It's about the allure of a man who knows himself so well that he can express it in the way he dresses. Now that you know what confident things she loves, what's next for you? Discover how to grab her attention, or learn how to get women to chase you. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.